Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to show you the UGREEN USB-C extension cable that I just received it. UGREEN USB-C mail to US, it got cut out, extension cable 1.5 feet. So this is basically a USB-C cable which is an extension cable, and the purpose of this type of cable that you're going to see here is that it allows you to extend a USB-C cable, or and listen carefully to this, or it also allows you to use some special docks. For example, I have here this dock which is basically a base OS USB-C dock for phones, and it has several ports here, HDMI ports, this is the charging ports, audio port, two USB 3.0 ports here, another USB 3.0 port here, SD card slot and micro SD card slot. But since this is for phones, you expect to have the USB-C connector here. However, thanks to this type of cable, which is an extension cable, you can basically use these types of hubs and docks in a computer simply by connecting the extension part of the cable into the USB-C port here, and that's about it. Yes, and then now you have the USB-C port on this side that you can plug into a machine, or you can use a converter to convert this USB-C connector into a USB-A port, and that way you can use it in a computer. So yes, this is the USB-C extension cable from UGREEN, and as you can see, this unboxing video was really simple, and the reason why I got this cable is because of that, so that I can use this dock into my computer, because I have the phone and it fits well in the phone, but it also works in computers, and you know, it has a lot of useful ports, and it even have an audio jack here that you can use as an external audio card in the computer. HDMI port, it will only work if you use it in a USB-C compatible port in a laptop or some other device that supports DisplayPort by USB-C. So yeah, but yeah, pretty much that's it. This is the base OS dock for phones, and this is the UGREEN USB-C extension cable. So that's all for this unboxing video. You can see here the thank you card that usually comes with this type of packages. So yeah, pretty much this concludes this unboxing video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment on it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.